name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Stitch Fix. Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we have a Stitch Fix. This one, I asked my stylist, and I'm not sure if it's who it is. We have to see. Maybe Madison is back. We will see. I asked my stylist to send me dresses suitable for cruise elegant or formal night on the cruise, or if you'd like, if you're not a big cruiser, maybe a holiday party dress. Nothing too formal, just a casual holiday party, or just a night out with your friends or your husband or your spouse or your friends, whatever. I know I said friends twice. That's okay. Okay, so we're gonna get into this box. Now, for this box, I have something a little special in mind, and I will get to that closer to the end of the video, so stay tuned. All right, let's get into this. I need to open it. I need to put a chair over here to put things on. I'll be right back. Okay, so my rack is missing. We're in a little different spot this month. We'll be back in the filming room soon. So let's get into what is in this box. Here's your return envelope. Just in case you have anything in your box you'd like to return or exchange, you use this envelope. Stitch Fix is there's a $20 styling fee to use Stitch Fix, and anything you purchase in the box, that fee is credited towards. Let's see. All right, we still have Catherine. It says, hi, Favor, how exciting to be going on a cruise. While we don't carry much in the way of occasion dresses, we do have work styles with sleeves you like you described, so I've included some options. All of them will go with the wonderful heels from Franco Sarto that are dressy but not so high that you will be teetering around on the ship. I did include one jumpsuit since they are in vogue right now. This versatile black style from Haley 23 can be easily dressed up with accessories. The knit fabrication makes packing a breeze. I look forward to hearing which ones are your favorite. I wanted to let you know that I couldn't find the Artie style sweater coat at the moment, but I can look again when you get back from your trip. Bon voyage, Catherine. Thank you, Catherine. Perfect. Okay, I did ask her for an Artie style sweater specifically, and I knew it might be a little difficult to find, so hopefully she'll be able to find it. Alrighty, so the total of my box this month is $353, but now remember, we are looking at some dresses. So that was a reminder. I'll be right back. I need to feed the dogs. Let's start with the shoes. These are Franco Sarto. Oh, wow. Whew. These are very fancy. Okay, so here we go. I do like the heel. I like the heel. I appreciate that. These are really cute. Nice burgundy color. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so we're gonna have to try those on for sure. Those are really beautiful. They're by Franco Sarto, and they are Darless pointed toe tie heel, burgundy 8.5 for $99. Okay, I do enjoy Franco Sarto. I think he's a nice brand. Excuse me while I dig in my box here. All right, here's our bundle. Here we go. All right. Oh, wow. I really like this. This is a beautiful little dress. Okay, so this is Karl Lagerfeld in a size 6. This is the, sorry, I'm looking down. This is the Carrie's ruffle detail in a burgundy size 6, and it is $108. This is gorgeous. This is the type of dress, though, that will stay in season, in style, season after season. And you know, you can actually wear this in summer or fall. It's very, very pretty. I really like this. Okay, that's gonna be a fun one to try on. That's gorgeous. All right, next up we have, ooh, this is the jumpsuit. You know, I'm glad she sent the jumpsuit. It's gonna be interesting. Oh, it's so long. I hope I'm tall enough for this. Yeah, it looks like I will be. Yeah, especially if I wear some heels. This is gonna be interesting, and I like the styles she sent for a jumpsuit for me. We're gonna have to see. I'm glad she sent it for me to try it. I have been wanting to try a jumpsuit. So there we go. And it looks nice enough that you can wear it to elegant night on the ship. It does look like a dress, even though it's pants, which might be nice, especially after dinner if you're going to a show and you don't wanna rush back to your room to change or something like that. And that is the Haley 23 Colette collar detail knit jumper, black medium, $58. Okay, this is another knit dress. This is heavy. Wow, this feels quite heavy. Oh, I love this. Yeah. I love this kind of dress. I love the shearing here in the front. It really detracts from any extra you may have in the tummy area. This might be a little long for me, but we will see. We'll definitely see. This is Lauren by Ralph Lauren, and it is a Faria Draping Gray in a 6 at $108. So this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Yes. Okay. Let's try that one. And the last dress. Oh, this is super soft. This is like a sweater dress. Oh, wow. Okay, with a cowl neck. I'm not the biggest fan of cowl necks because I'm short. I'm not super short. I'm 5'3". This is by Fortune & Ivy. They don't always look great on me. So I have to, oh gosh, this dress. I think I'm really gonna like this. And this one may have the opposite problem. This one may be a little short. We'll have to see. Okay, so this is Fortune & Ivy. It is Alicia Cowl Neck Hasi, and it's cut off, black medium at $48. So there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna try everything on. That's the problem with cross dresses. Anyway, the crisscross in the front. Okay, so let's go try everything on. I'll be right back. Okay, I love this dress. I think this is beautiful. I believe you can still see my feet. This really is lovely. I like the sleeve detail. I think this steps it up a little bit. Now, this is not something I would want to wear to work or wear every single day. The sleeve would drive me crazy. I like the way it fits. I think it fits perfectly. The heel, this is a nice heel. I'm not sure how I feel about these shoes. While I like the color, I'm not sure if I like the style of them. I don't know. There's just something about them I'm just not crazy about. Hopefully you can see them. I think it's the tie across the front that I'm just not fond of. But everything else I really like. I love the heel height. I love the color. I think they're beautiful. Okay, so what do you think of this dress? Oh my goodness, is it not beautiful? It's beautiful. All right, next dress. I think this is going to end up being my favorite. I feel very Charlie's Angels in this jumper, romper, whatever you call them, jumpsuit. It's too large for sure, but I think even being a little large, it looks all right, but it feels very, very large. I feel like I'm swimming in it. That may be the design. I have to make sure I'm not exposing myself here. I think the length is good, although it is dragging on the floor, so it might be a little too long. I might have needed a higher heel, or if it came in a petite. But you know what? As far as jumpsuits go, this one I like. I do not have it completely buttoned in the back. It's too large. Even buttoned, I've got to pull it really tight back here to get it to fit properly. But I think it's nice. I actually really like it. I don't mind the price point. I like that it's all black. You could definitely dress it up with some sparkly silver shoes or something different. You know, you could take this belt, which is completely removable, and put a bright silver belt or gold or whatever the case may be, some beautiful silver sparkly accessories, and you could absolutely have a very comfortable formal wear, cruise elegant outfit. All right, there we go. Off to outfit number 3. These shoes are beginning to hurt. Okay, I love this dress. I absolutely love this dress. I did change into my shoes as I was really concerned about marring up the floor marring up the shoes, the bottom of the shoes, messing up the bottom of the shoes with our tile floors here. So I wanted to get those off of my feet. Besides, they really weren't very comfortable for me. I really love this dress a lot. I didn't think I was gonna like the length, but I kind of do. I don't know, I feel like it's supposed to be that length. And it's the wrap style ruching here on the side. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a nice weight, knit, won't wrinkle. Fantastic. It is lined here in the front. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. I like the size of it. I think it fits perfectly. It's a little big here in the top, as most things are. on me. So either they won't fit here and they fit here, or it's the opposite. So, but I think this one fits nicely. But, and I love the color. I really love the color. This is another dress where your accessories could be your pop of color. You don't have to wear black shoes. You could wear red shoes, silver shoes, gold shoes, you know, whatever color you would like. Purple, if that makes your heart happy. And there you go. I just think it's beautiful. I think it fits nicely. Oh, this is proving to be a difficult box. All right, the very last dress. Here, this would be my favorite dress of all of them. I did not think that I would love this, but it hangs down low enough that it doesn't crowd my neck. I don't like things big and bulky around my neck. I do not wear scarves for that reason. I love this dress. I love this dress not just for formal night, but just as a little winter sweater dress. I think it fits beautifully. It pulls away from the body. I like this little pleat here, extra something in the front. I think it is gorgeous. It's so soft. Again, with silver accessories, silver sparkly heels for a formal night on the ship. And or cruise elegant, some beautiful sparkly earrings, maybe as a hair accessory that's sparkly. I don't know. You could wear red with this, you could wear black, you could wear silver, gold. You name it. Green, a beautiful emerald green would look great with this. There are just so many options for this dress, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so let's do the recap very quickly. That's not what I'm looking for. All right. So I'm going to pop pictures up of everything I'm talking about here. I know you've already seen the pictures. We're just going to pop them up again so I don't have to hold the piece up since they're dresses. Karl Lagerfeld Keras ruffle detailed burgundy dress in a size 6. I absolutely love that dress. I really do. It's a little expensive for me, but I really love it. The Haley Collette collar detail knit jumper, I felt like it was a little big, but I think it is appropriate to wear for formal night or cruise elegant. So if that's something you're interested in, I suggest you request it, because it is something, if you're a little taller than me, I'm 5'3", I feel like that would be really perfectly fit perfectly. It wasn't a medium. It felt a little big on me. It felt a little large, oversized, but that may be the style of the outfit. It is in a medium. The Ralph Lauren draping gray striped dress, size 6, $108. Again, I love that dress. I think it is gorgeous. However, that one felt a little more appropriate for work attire. Because of the coloring and the striping, I'm not quite sure that that would be really the nicest dress for a formal cruise elegant night, but it would certainly pass. It would certainly work. It is beautiful. It is lovely. It is fine. But if you can get that for work and you can wear that at least once a week, I encourage you to do so, and please do it for me because I love that dress. And the Franco Sarto Darless pointed toe tie heel, no, those are going to go back. While they're the perfect heel height for me, they were very uncomfortable on my feet. I'm not sure why. And I didn't really care for the tie across the front. Just that wasn't my favorite, but the heel was perfect and I love the color. The Fortune and Ivy Alicia cowl neck Hasi something, it's cut off, black and a medium, $48. This dress is staying with me. I think it's adorable. I think it is a beautiful winter dress. I think it's fun. You could put tights with it if you're going to wear it to the symphony. And like I said, you can dress it up or dress it down. And this neck doesn't bother me, actually. I do need to figure out what kind of jacket to wear with this. I have a pea coat, a long pea coat jacket that's white or kind of an off-white, a creamy white. And I'm not sure about this collar with that, but I feel like it kind of presses down. So if I need to wear my coat, it'll be just fine. And you could wear these with the pumps, you know, and some tights or some knee-high boots and some tights to make this outfit a little more casual. I love this dress, and that is the best part about subscription boxes. I don't like cowl necks. If you would have just showed this dress to me, I would have said nope and passed it right up because this is not the neckline for me. But look at this. It's my most favorite dress in the box. Okay, it's tied with the Carrie's ruffle detail, the Karl Lagerfeld dress. I'm gonna have to talk to my husband about the budget. I do have credit thanks to one of you for clicking on my link, and I'm not sure which one of you it was, and let me explain. Normally I know. Last month I did a collaboration with Southern Yankee where we gave away a gift card, and it was a $50 credit if you used my link. So many of you previously this year have clicked on my link that I ran out of credit opportunity. You can only receive up to $600 from Stitchfix before they have to send you a 1099. So I had hit my maximum this year thanks to you guys. So really the only way that I can give back is to ask that you share your link to Stitchfix in the comments below. Share your link, and then others, if you've not tried Stitchfix, I encourage you to choose a friend below and click on their link and give them a little extra something special for the holiday season. Maybe that would allow them to give a gift card from Stitchfix or allow them to get the special dress that they would like for their holiday party. So please share your link below and let us know in the link, what no, don't even do that. Just share your link. Share your link below for Stitchfix. Now, you're not going to see it immediately. It'll be held for review because it is a link, and I will catch them and I will post them. So I encourage you to scroll through the comments and pick one, some from the middle, some from the end, some from the beginning, so that everybody has an opportunity. And I thank you in advance for using my friends' links and for trying out Stitchfix. So share your link. Share the love. That's the only way that I can here. So, and I sincerely appreciate your watching. I did have a return from Stitchfix, so I have about $70 in credit. The total for this box is, oh, there's extras in here. I forgot. I ordered an extra. It's got to be, there it is. It is a, oh, it's a, the bra that shows, bralette. It is a bralette. I just wanted to try it. I'm not going to show that to you because I'm not going to try that on in front of everybody. It's just a bralette because I wanted it to wear under cute. The trend is the off-the-shoulder sweaters. I'm too small for that trend. It just overwhelms me, so I'm going to be sending that back. Anyway, so the total of my box is $421. The buy-out discount of 25% is $105.25. And so that is 314-15-ish dollars. And I'm not going to be keeping all of it. And I do have a $70 in credit, $50 from you, and $20 on a return. So I thank you so much. And I think I'm going to keep this dress. And if my husband says it's in the budget, if we decide it's in the budget, the burgundy Karl Lagerfeld dress, because I think that is gorgeous. And I think it's a perfect holiday cruise dress. It's a great color, and I think I can wear it year round. It's a beautiful dress. All right, share your link below. I thank you so, so much for a year of Stitchfix, for watching all of the videos, for clicking on my link, allowing me to keep the videos coming, and thank you. I sincerely appreciate you, and I sincerely appreciate you trying out Stitchfix with some of the links in the comments below. All right, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next year. Stitchfix next year. No more Stitchfix this year, and I hope that you have a wonderful holiday season, whatever you celebrate, and that your new year is bright and filled with promise and happiness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. Bye.